Are you still struggling with mid tapers? Well, watch this video because I'm going to show you how to execute. We're going to set in a triangle guideline, and then we're going to follow up with our foil shaver. And with the lever open, we're going to make a 1/2 inch guideline, and you could go ahead and make it kind of round. The purpose of the triangle guideline is to leave both of the corners dark, so when we line it up, it could look super crispy. And following it up with the lever midway, we're going to go ahead and go up midway of this section, making sure we're flicking out and just hitting the dark spots. And with the lever closed, we're going to go ahead and attack that bottom line and making sure we blend it out. And with our 1.5 guard, we're going to go ahead and make about a 1/2 inch section, making sure it's nice and consistent. And with our 1/2 guard lever open, we're going to go ahead and follow it up right underneath, making sure we're flicking out. And with the lever midway, we're going to go midway of that section, and with the lever closed, we're just going to keep fading down. And here we're eliminating some bulk from the C-cup section, so when we line it up, it could be that much crispier. And here I'm using the Supreme Recharge. These are my absolute favorite trimmers in the market right now. And here we're going to follow up with some point cutting and with some corner detailing. And we're going to make sure we hit the eyebrow as requested. If you're looking for a one-on-one barber content class or a barber class in LA, make sure you tap in. Or if you're trying to book an appointment, the link's in the bio. And look at my boy, you know he's feeling himself. We got him right. We got him crispy, yeah.